Hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about top 5 best crypto Discord channels. So make sure to watch the full video. Are you wondering which are the best crypto Discord channels of 2022? Along with Telegram groups, Discord cryptocurrency groups have become a very popular way for cryptocurrency traders to interact and keep up with other traders and crypto enthusiasts. As popular as Telegram is, Discord has a lot of extra features that Telegram lacks. Therefore, Discord is increasingly becoming the favorite platform for cryptocurrency traders. What is Crypto Discord channel? Discord has many channels. Each channel has sub-channels or groups where users can network, interact, learn, and discuss certain topics. Crypto Discord groups are sub-channels where users can talk about cryptocurrency with each other. Some cryptocurrency Discord groups focus on a particular aspect or sector of the crypto industry. Others have those that base their discussion on diverse crypto-related topics. As always, it's needless to say that you should be careful when following any kind of advice you may get from users online. Before making any trade, study and ponder about the transactions you're about to make. 1. Filthy Rich Futures. Filthy Rich Futures is a trading community that, as its name implies, focuses on futures trading. Futures are derivatives, and even though that may sound complicated, it really isn't. It is very similar to old-fashioned crypto trading, the difference being that futures allow for a leverage multiplier that speeds up your profit and loss. Futures trading also brings overhead costs, like commissions. These are different for every exchange that supports futures. Filthy Rich Futures is mostly trading at high leverage, anywhere between 20 and 125x leverage. Make no mistake, this is hardcore trading that brings with it a great risk of loss. The power of this group is that risk is tightly managed and new traders are protected against big losses by very specific trading guidelines. The group is relatively new but set up professionally. Its strict anti-spam/anti-scam policy makes for a very clean experience, and the community is very helpful and friendly. The admins are available for questions and try to help out. This is an excellent place to really learn how to trade and become successful as a trader by practicing what you've learned. The advertised goal is to make perhaps a modest but definitely steady profit on a daily basis. Compound interest does the rest. 2. Satoshi's Exchange. Satoshi's Exchange is the follow-up to Satoshi's Data. This was one of our favorite groups which had gathered more than 17k members, unfortunately. The group was hacked and the team was forced to start a new group. If you see Satoshi's Data group on Discord, do not join it, it has now been turned into a scam. Satoshi's Exchange is a cryptocurrency trading group run by like-minded crypto enthusiasts and veterans. The team strives to offer the most efficient and friendliest learning space in the crypto community. Satoshi's Exchange offers everything you may need, including very profitable crypto signals, learning centers that are updated regularly, technical analysis help, general help, news corners, price alerts, and more. The group has a skilled set of traders on the team who all differ in time zones to ensure that you will always be able to get your questions heard and answered. There is never a question too stupid in the group. The server is essentially based around the teaching of others, while signals do also play a role. The team's main goals are to rebuild the platform even better than it before, striving to consistently offer the points mentioned above. The team is always developing new bots to assist in the aid of trading, whether it be price and volume alerts, or charting and trading assistant bots to give suggested trades upon command. Satoshi's Exchange's next major project is the production of NFTs, which members of the server will be whitelisted to. 3. CryptoFuse. CryptoFuse is a group started by an experienced and successful trader who, after working as an analyst on various crypto Discord groups, decided to start his own group in an effort to introduce a server that improved the flaws he had witnessed in other servers. Some of CryptoFuse's features include Trading Bot. CryptoFuse offers an exclusive trading bot for premium members in the server, which has been backtested and proven to make regular profits. Signals. Currently, the group has 4 professional analysts on the server who work to provide daily signals for futures and spot trading. You can check their results on the server. Educational content. The team has pre-made videos and documents about strategies, psychology, and hidden keys to success in trading, such as understanding market manipulation, Bitcoin, alt cycles, and market cap. Live mentoring. All of CryptoFuse's analysts are going live on Discord for one-on-one sessions and group sessions. Being a part of an active community is really important if you want to become a trader/investor. The Crypto Fuse community is very active and helpful. It has lots of experienced members who are eager to help newcomers. If you are looking for a community with active traders who share their TA and trades in the chat and help each other out, you might want to join this channel. The group also features airdrops. If you want to earn money in crypto through events like airdrops, the Crypto Fuse community bot will give you automatic updates about upcoming airdrops immediately in the airdrops channel. Another interesting advantage is the analyst procedure. This is a procedure where the team guides you to become an expert in technical analysis by commenting on your charts and trades. The group also features a bot for the community to optimize knowledge about the current state of the market. With features like news, airdrops, trending coins, live prices, and more. 4. Crypto Hub. Crypto Hub is a crypto community hub dedicated to all things crypto, such as gem hunting, ETOs, staking, NFTs, trading, investing, and much more, all in a beginner-friendly atmosphere. It also contains free and simple guides and introductions to crypto that is helpful to the new arrivals into the cryptoverse. It also has free trade signals provided by professional analytics as well as a free opportunity channel where potentially great picks are shared, such as upcoming NFT mints, new coin launches, low cap gems, and airdrops worth chasing. The server is an ocean of information regarding crypto, brought to the members on a daily basis from Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, Twitch, as well as various daily crypto news outlets. 5. Elite Crypto Signals. Elite Crypto Signals was created in early 2018 with the goal of gathering a community where users help each other make profits in crypto. Shortly after, the group quickly gained more than 7,000 members. Some of the Elite Crypto Signals founding members have been in the crypto business since 2012. Elite Crypto Signals provides trade signals based on technical analysis. They analyze the market and look for good entry and exit points. The team provides excellent crypto signals and cryptocurrency training at an affordable price. All of their premium results can be verified in the Discord channel. The group is all about those early signals, earning money, and celebrating success. Elite Crypto Signals offers trade notifications, training, and experienced guidance. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.